Hi, in this video, I will walk you through the Personal Finance Tracker program that I developed using C++ and Splashkit. This program helps you manage your transactions, generate reports, and even predict future expenses based on past data. It includes functionalities like adding, modifying, removing, and sorting transactions, as well as displaying category-based spending via pie chart. Let's break down how everything works, starting with the overall structure. The program uses a transaction struct to store information about each financial transaction. It captures four key details: date, type, amount, and category. The program dynamically manages these transactions, allowing us to add, modify, and remove them in real time. The transactions are stored in a dynamically allocated array. This means that every time a new transaction is added, we resize the array to accommodate it. Similarly, if a transaction is removed, the array shrinks. So functions like add transaction, modify transaction, and remove transaction handle these operations. For example, when we add a transaction, we ask the user to for details like date, type, amount, and category. We resize the array using the resize transaction, uh, resize transactions function to make space for the new entry. The new transaction is then added, and the program acknowledges its successful addition. So one of the key features of this program is generating category-based spending reports. The function category report loops through all transactions and calculates the total income, total expenses, and how much was spent in each category. To visualize this, the program can even can draw a pie chart using Splashkit. This is where the draw pie chart function comes in. It calculates the total spending across categories and draws a pie chart using different colors for each category. The fill sector function. The fill sector function is used to color the different sections of the pie chart, representing money, how much you spent on each category, like food, uh, food, rent, or entertainment, or anything like that. The report not only gives you an overview, but also helps visualize your spending habits. Um, Another useful feature is the ability to save and load transactions from a file. The program can save your transaction data into a text file with the save to file function. You can later reload this data using load from file function. This is particularly useful if you want to keep track of your spending over a long period or switch between different sessions. Uh, the program also offers sorting and searching capabilities. You can sort transactions by date, amount, or category. The sort transaction function takes care of this by asking the user for their sorting preference and then applying the appropriate sorting logic. Similarly, you can search for specific transactions based on the amount. The search transaction function allows you to enter an amount and the program will search through all the transactions to find a match. One of the most interesting features is predicting future expenses. Uh, the function predict future expense calculates your average monthly expense and predicts how much you're likely to spend over the next few months. The prediction is based on accumulated data of your past expenses. It uses a simple mathematical model that averages your spending and projects it forward for a given number of months. Uh, to make all these features accessible, the program uses a menu-driven interface. You can choose from options like adding transaction, modifying, removing, and generating reports, and more. The program runs in an infinite loop until the user chooses to exit, allowing them to interact with the program as much as they need.
In summary, this personal finance tracker helps users manage their income and expenses efficiently. It provides useful features like sorting, searching, predicting expenses, and generating reports with visual representation of our spending. The dynamic array management and file handling ensures that users can easily manage large amounts of transaction data over time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this explanation useful. If you have any questions or would like to know more about the code, please feel free to ask. Thank you.